is kind of wondering what that's all about.
She's got a little dimple on the right side. Just in time.
Yeah.
She's just hungry again.
Hi, baby Baxter. Can I have a kiss? Oh wait, you have a pacifier in your mouth. You can't kiss anyone. Is that in your hands are so cold.
Cheese.
What you got, Baxter?
I got the blueberry baby.
And what does Mommy have?
Banana.
Uh-huh. What are you guys doing?
What are we gonna do?
In the hospital.
Go to the hospital? Should we give our babies a bath?
One to camera. Smile. Smile.
What you doing, Baxter?
Okay, now let's rinse her head. What are we doing?
Hospital.
Hospital?
We're going to hospital.
We are.
Oops, I got your sleeves.
Look, they're washing Ravenna's hair, Baxter.
You helped.
See how much she likes it?
And I want you to keep the volume down on your voice.
Where?
There's enough crying that's going to happen in the next few days. You don't need to add to that.
What did you do?
Cheese.
Why are your mittens off?
I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take them on the. I'm gonna smile. Cheese.
Okay. Cheese, click.
Cheese.
Okay, let's go.
And she's in the car. And she's
It's too... What are you doing, Baxter?
happy burger.
Oh, good job.
Pretty cute.
Nice, Ravenna. What a nice hug.
Nice baby.
Nice baby.
Give him a kiss.
You want to give her a kiss? You both look tired. Oh, nice kisses.
Look at that little cheek.
That is certain.
Her little chin.
Where's her little ear?
Here's right here.
There's her little ear.
Where's her hand?
Oh, she's looking at you.
Where's her hand? Can you find it now?
Here's her hand if you're there.
Did you find
Her
it?
hand is in there.
I'm trying to get her hand out.
Here. You want to hold her hand?
Here, let's see if we can get her hand in. Oh, there's her little hand. See? Look at her
There
little
it
hand.
is. Oh, she's looking at you, honey. She loves you. She loves you.